In this video, I want to talk about how you can add video to Shopify. So I'll show you how you can add a video to your product and as well as to your page. So for the product, you want to open up products, either create a new one or select an existing one. Then what you want to do is you want to come here to media and press on this and click add from URL. Then you can simply copy and paste the YouTube or whichever one where you put it, and you will be able to upload the video from there. You can also just save the video on your PC and upload it as a file. If you want to do it to a page, you want to head over to your store, select the page that you want to do it with. So go to pages, and let's just say it's this page. You want to click on it. Then inside here, you have the option to insert a video from here, or you can, if you have a video somewhere, you can copy the embed version, so the HTML version. And once you copy that, you just want to press here, paste it in here, and then save it. So those are the ways that you can do this, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.